What's up everyone, this is Elijah here and welcome to another video produced by the App Lifestyle. In this video we're going to be talking about the getupside app and how you can cash out because the app has changed just a tad bit. So if you want to cash out your earnings using the Upside app, you'll first need to open the app. From here, you'll need to click on the person icon right next to your balance and you'll see the option where it says cash out. Once you're here, you have a variety of options that you can distribute these funds through, such as your bank account if you want to link it, and a number of gift cards. My personal favorite is to just use PayPal, so I'm going to select PayPal. From here, you'll need to add the email that's associated with your PayPal account if you're going to use it. I already have my PayPal account linked, so I'm going to click it, then press continue. Then you'll need to choose the amount that you want to cash out. I'm fine with cashing out the full amount because my getupside pays for my Adobe suite, which gives me access to most of the Adobe software on a monthly basis. So I'm going to go ahead and click cash out. This next page is basically just a confirmation page. Click on cash out. And it says payment has been processed. Score. Cash out was sent to my email. Be sure your account is verified with PayPal and you should receive the funds within 12 to 24 hours. In my experience, it usually takes around 6 to 12 hours, but take that with a grain of salt. Just expect the 12 to 24 hours. But with that being said, this is how you cash out using the Upside app. Like I said, the app has gone through a few updates, so it looked different from the video I made. So I thought I would make this one so y'all can visually see the differences and how to do so. That does it for this video. I'll catch you in the next video. Get out there, be safe, be profitable, and keep letting these apps make you money.